President Trump is putting a timeline on COVID-19. The president saying that the administration will decide on additional actions to fight the virus in 15 days. This as health officials will release 10,000 units of a potential COVID-19 treatment in New York. That's our top story this evening at 10.
They're going to distribute it tomorrow morning to a lot of people in New York City and New York. We're studying it very closely, watching it very closely.
The president also announcing FEMA is currently distributing 8 million N95 masks and 13 million surgical masks across the country, focusing on the areas with the greatest need. FEMA has also received over 6 million donated masks, also being distributed to those medical hotspots. The coronavirus pandemic is accelerating, and the virus, is tightening its deadly grip on the United States, with more than 100 people dying in 24 hours. As critical medical supplies run short, the White House is cracking down on anyone exploiting the health of Americans for their own profit. Daryl Forges explains.
Our country wasn't built to be shut down.
President Trump signaling that he hopes America will be up and running again sooner rather than later.
At the end of the 15-day period, we'll make a decision as to which way we want to go.
It's unacceptable that we're sending medical professionals like lambs to the slaughterhouse.
As critical medical supplies run short across America, the president made a promise that more are coming.
As FEMA is distributing 8 million N95 respirator masks and 13.3 million surgical masks across the country right now.
Cracking down on hoarding and price gouging of PPE, the president signed an executive order to make it a crime.
If you have a big supply of toilet paper in your house, this is not something you have to worry about. But if you are sitting on a warehouse with masks, surgical masks, you will be hearing a knock on your door.
This after state leaders pleaded with the president to put an end to bidding wars over those much-needed supplies.
You have manufacturers who sit there, and California offers them $4. And they say, well, California offered $4, I offer $5, another state calls in and offers $6. It's not the way to do it.
I'm Daryl Forges reporting.